Turn around, Didi. Hello.
Hello.
What are you up to today?
We making yummy delicious breakfast cookies.
Cookies. Wow.
Delicious. I don't know how to tie up my apron.
Do you need my hands again or no?
Yes. But wait a teeny weeny bit.
Teeny weeny bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Butter. Unsalted butter.
Okay.
Unsalted one is at the back side.
I know.
Pull this one.
Why are you hiding it?
Yeah, because the mama gonna use it. This one is for baking and cooking. Give me the pastry. Don't just chuck it like your mama. Put it in the right place, okay? If you wanna be a chef, you gotta learn how to put in things in there.
I don't want to be a chef. I'm a doctor. No, actually, I
Get down. Why did you go there? Get down. Dudu, Papa will give you Dudu. We gotta do the butter brown first. Burn the butter. So you gotta take this butter out.
I can cut it.
Okay.
Because I'm the chef.
Okay.
Roll my hand and chop. Nice.
That should be enough, I think.
Yeah.
Alright?
That's so big.
I'll put this one.
We need a line, Dad. We need a small line.
Yeah, some more butter here. More butter. Careful. So you wanna have a look?
Wow.
Burn that butter, make it brown, okay?
Okay.
So it's a brown butter chocolate chip cookie. What is it?
Chocolate chip cookie.
And brown butter.
And brown yummy butter. Yeah. That's where it's done.
See? It's brown from the bottom now. So it's ready to take off now. Okay? Okay? So pour it in this bowl, okay?
Okay. Just turn off the. Whoops. Whoa.
Or put it in the fridge. Careful, hold it from the up.
Thank you. It's hot. It burned my head.
Let's cool down. Good. So we're gonna measure this one 1 cup and 1/4.
Yes, go.
Mani, aja idhar papa pass. Come here. So you measure this cup and pour it into the bowl.
I don't know where to measure it.
That's the 1 cup. Here, this one is 1 and this one is 1/4. Okay. So pour the butter here first. What?
Okay, I'll pour the butter in here.
Yeah. Careful, okay? It's not even 1 cup. Pa. Pa.
See.
Good girl. The bigger one, beta. That's a bit too small. Take the big one. So 1.5 cup, okay?
1.5. It's hard. That's much?
Put it over there. Put it in this cup here.
Okay. But it all?
Yeah. More. Fill it up that cup.
Okay.
Yeah.
It looks like playing with sand.
Yeah, looks like sand.
Yeah. Hard
Always
sand.
on. Pa. Pay. Pay. A. B.
Oh,
No. So that's 1 full cup. Pour it into that. Pour it in that one. Right here.
that's no cup. That's the bowl.
So 1/2 cup, also more. What do you want, Mani? Where's your stool? Go get your stool from there. And carry that plate also. Pick it up, good girl. Ta. B. Go get your stool from there. Put it over here.
It's super hard to scoop it.
Super hard to scoop it. But that should be enough, okay? Yeah. That should be enough.
I can keep this spoon in there. Wait.
So now you mix that.
Move this, please.
Are you gonna move your stuff? You need to learn how to move your stuff first. So push it down. Alright, mix that up.
Whoops.
Mix that stuff.
I got to use the mixer, it's a bit hard.
Okay.
Because the mixer's a bit fast and easy for me.
Yes, mix. What are you doing, Manya? Come on.
There's a bowl.
Go. Alright, you go put one egg there, an egg. Good. Mix it up again.
Oh.
That's a wee little helper here.
Yeah, she's naughty.
She's naughty. Is she?
Yeah,
More than you or less than you?
more than me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Chalo, mix. Now we need to see your muscle.
Okay.
Yeah, how strong you are. Now we're gonna know that. Good girl. Yeah. Is it a fun, Radhi? Making cookies? Better buying from the supermarket or making at home?
Make it at home.
Okay.
And buy it from the supermarket.
Sometime.
Yeah.
Sometime or most of the time?
Sometime.
Alright.
And today we're also going to make delicious healthy dumplings.
Dumplings?
Yes.
Whoa, who's gonna make that?
Me and Papa.
Yeah.
And we're going to make a video making dumplings. Do you guys know how to make dumplings?
I don't know, you need to ask them. Leave the comments below.
Do you know how to make dumplings, guys?
Tell them if you want to learn, leave the comments below. We can put the link in the comment section.
Okay. If you don't know, we can show you the...
Delicious dumpling recipe, aye?
The next dumpling.
You're promoting your dad's page also? Because I've got 2 dumplings recipe on my...
Delicious dumpling poo.
Spoon you hold.
Sorry.
Come on, mix.
Why does it make it super hard? I just...
Who you are, Manya? Cow? How cow does?
How does duck does? How does cat does? How does dog does? What?
Good girl. Give me 5.
Give me high five. Give me high five.
Come on, back to work now. It looks nice now. We're gonna add our flour in there.
Okay.
So gotta be 2 full cups of flour, okay?
2 full. You mean use both of them?
Alright, just before adding flour, we need to add the vanilla in there. Not too much, okay?
Okay.
Just 1 teaspoon.
Can you put it in here so I know how
1
much?
teaspoon. So you just put, this one is half teaspoon, so you have 2 times of this, okay? Come on. Slowly, Robert. Good, more. Yeah. Pour it in this one.
Whoa.
Pour in this one. Good girl. One more. Perfect. Now put the lid back and put it away first. This one before you make mess.
So now I can put the dirty dishes in the sink?
Yeah. We need that 1 cup because we're gonna measure the flour in there.
This?
Cup.
This cup?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 2 cups of flour. Put it. Mix this one first.
Okay, put this away.
Okay. Give a mix this one.
Why do we keep mixing this?
Yeah, because the ingredients has to be evenly, mixed into the.
Okay, but it's getting even faster.
Sure, that's enough. Shake it. Take it all the stuff from this one because we don't need this one anymore. Just put it away. You're gonna use the spatula after that. Who's gonna clean the dishes after? Huh?
Not me.
Why not you?
So I'm tired doing all the dishes
Oh, 2 cups.
every single day.
Make sure it's full, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Pour it in this one. Good girl.
2.
1 more, yes. 2. Yeah. Come on. Good girl. put that away now. Put the lid on first. And put this one away into the cupboards. Good girl. Good girl. So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Just a bit too much. You gotta take it off. That's over the limit. Yes. Put in there. 1 more teaspoon. Less than that, little bit. Yeah. Good girl. So put that baking soda away. Now we need some salt in there. Then let me grab the salt. Pinch of salt.
Can you try to do the pinch?
And use this one here. You got a spoon here. Just a little bit. Oh no!
This much?
A bit more.
This much?
That's it. So it's 1/4 teaspoon, okay? Do. That's your spoon.
Now mix.
What? Alright, give it a mix first before we add chocolate cookie. Do, Kachi, you do. Kado. Why did you throw the spoon down on the floor? Go grab that spoon.
That's not how we cook, Mania.
Mani? Pick it up. Do, Papa, go do. Ta. Good girl.
This is getting even harder.
Even harder?
Yeah.
Come on. You can do it. Yes. Come on, Radia. Come on, Radia. You're gonna see your muscles now.
Muscles?
Yes, muscles.
Okay. We have to mix it with our hands, guys. Looks like play with sand. I'm making sand ball.
What are you doing, man? What are you doing now?
She's looking under my shoe.
No, not Chichi. Don't eat that one. Yuck. Yuck. Yuck.
So we have to make sand balls now?
Come on. You want me to help you?
No, thanks. I can do it with my both hands.
Careful, don't drop the ball down. 1 full cup. Fill it up first. Fill it up.
Okay.
You cheeky girl. Yeah. And then
The arc one.
after.
It looks like foam now.
Yeah. Do the next. You love sugar, eh?
Uh-oh.
That's alright. So. Come on.
See guys, look at this ginormous ball.
Yeah. So put it in the fridge now. Come on, and then we're gonna do the cleaning. Come.
Let's go to Mercury. Whoops. Oh no, that was going to grow it.
Put it down.
Ooh, I need my gloves.
You don't need the gloves put on. You need gloves to take it out, okay?
But we can make those petals while we're waiting.
We need to put the timer back. And try the tiny one.
Mm.
Are they yum?
Yes.